Hi everyone, and welcome to Mighty Ginkgo Tutorials. My name is Zero and I'll be your instructor for this lesson. For this tutorial we'll have to do things a little bit different than we're used to. Normally I would do a full-on tutorial showing you how to create clothes from scratch and rigging it to the body and then texturing it and then posting them all on YouTube for you guys to enjoy. But unfortunately, during the pandemic, YouTube decided to change its policy on 3D nudity. So a lot of my videos got flagged for violating the terms of service, and then unflagged, and then flagged again, and then unflagged, and then flagged again. And it was just a vicious cycle that kept happening because my account would have one copyright strike or one community strike, and then they would take it off like a week later and then put it right back on another video because of the nudity. So, because of that, we have to change our format. Because this body will have nudity in it, we are going to have to do what we're about to do right now. And that is to create a promo for the video and then post it, the full tutorial on our website. So you'll have to watch it there. Don't worry, it's not really a bad thing. Actually, I think this is a good way to do it from now on, considering I'll be able to post the files directly onto the website and you guys can download it without having to shuffle through the description trying to find what goes where. Everything can be more organized and you'll be able to access more downloads from it to begin with. Also, it'll give me the ability to put the videos on there so you can directly download them for your offline use rather than having to use a YouTube downloader or trying to watch them all and suck up your data, because you guys know how long my tutorials tend to go on. So I hope that this new format works out for you, and if it doesn't, well, there's really nothing I can do. Blame all those parents who are now home complaining about their kids looking at 3D boobies. Dang kids looking at my 3D boobies. So, because of that, I guess that's all I have to say about it, really. Okay, so, what do we have to do now? Oh yeah, I have to get the promo for this tutorial. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to do everything that I just said I was going to do earlier. I'm going to show you how to make a basic garment in Marvelous Designer 2, how to texture paint it, how to rig it, and then, how to wear it. Just to let you guys know that this is made with my fan dev kit, also known as our bootleg kits. This is not the official kit. It works pretty well, and I say it is 99% accurate. But, if you guys want to just get the official one, you have to apply and contact the creator and apply for that one and, be judge worthy enough to get it, and then, you can make clothes with it. I haven't seen the official dev kit, so I can't tell you if it's as good as mine or is mine garbage in comparison, but I like to think that I put a little bit of extra heart into it to make it easier for you guys to use. Well, wait, that's not entirely true. I did throw a little trick inside there to make it a little difficult for you guys to use. But you can blame this one user who decided to come and ask me to make clothes for this body on my cat's memorial video. Had she not done that, I would have put a little more effort into making this easier for you. But you'll have to do one extra step, all because of that one person. So, yeah, deal with it. Okay, so everything is going to be included in the materials section on the website, so make sure that you download everything so we can easily follow along with me. And, I apologize for the hand bending. This is a man's AO, and it just seems to twist my wrist all around and look so gross. I'm so sorry. Whew, wow, this is one hell of an intro. I guess I'll end it now. See you guys in a real tutorial. Well, the actual intro, and not just the promo. Crap. Alright, let me get. See you guys in the next video.